Discover your ideal student haven at Royal Lexington in Lexington, a vibrant community that blends modern comforts with a lively, campus-centered lifestyle. Choose from 3 or 4 bedroom apartments, each featuring private bedroom doors with locks, hardwood-style floors, a full-size washer and dryer, and entertainment centers designed for your comfort. Community amenities elevate daily life with a 24-hour fitness center, sparkling pool with sun deck, outdoor courtyard pavilions with barbecue grills, bike storage, and a 24-hour academic success center, equipped with iMacs and free printing. Utilities such as internet, washer and dryer, and trash services are included in your rent for your convenience. Located at 695 Winnie Street, you are just half a mile from the University of Kentucky and a short drive to Transylvania University. Public transit is seamless via the South Limestone bus stop and 4th and Main Streetcar train station. Oh, and cozy food spots nearby will keep you busy. So, ready for a full-on campus lifestyle? Secure Royal Lexington via amberstudent.com today.